Let's see if this explodes. Teardown, part 2. It is here. I know you all have been waiting for it. All. Sadness. But anyways. Oh my god, I'm so bad at intro. I'm bad at intros. Here's part 2 of Teardown.
Suck.
So, made it back to the crib. It's a fucking thing. I can't open the fridge. Okay, on to the video. Just had some unfinished business. But anyways, into the video. As we saw last time, there's a vandal. There's a criminal in my basement, but we're not gonna get into that. I bet he's still handsome as he is. But into the video. Okay, new mission. New mission. Where is it? Oh, right here. Okay. So what did it say? I remember Matt. Get the 2 classic cars from Gordon, drive them to the marked area at the back in the back of the tugboat. Oh my god. In the back, okay. And spare parts if I can. All right. Oh, how I missed this game for real. Oh, shit. Shit. Oh, my leg! Okay. Oh, and it's connected to... Oh. I see how you do this game. Okay. So I shouldn't crash into shit. Never mind. Okay, so keep this here. I need the tugboat. I need the tugboat, which I can probably just do something. Let's see if this explodes. Okay, so okay, I got this. See, this is my idea. Just like butter. That's the boat. Not the... Okay. This is all part of the plan. I can't get out. Okay. So this is the plan. Alright. And I grab this. And I need this. Something important. Hold on, I'm gonna save real fast, just in case. There. Ooh. Oh. Ah. Okay. So now I think I can just get in and drive. Okay. Okay, I need to get into here. Fucking stupid. Oh. Nice. Is it in here? No. This is ice cream. Whoops, my bad. It's in here. Open up the door, it's real. Oh, a vacuum. Pro suck. Suck. Really? Oh, fuck. Okay, I gotta go. Jump. I'm fucked. Why am I... Oh my god, I didn't know that it would set that off. I'm so dumb. cook some speed. Okay, that didn't help at all. Okay, run. Drive. Okay. Here's the last one. No, wrong car. Go. Easy, we're done. What was I worried about? 20 seconds left or some shit like that? 11. Oh, we doing some renovation? Ooh. My bad. There's no one here. Close. Cool. No. Oh, sis. Or pulling all the rust off the car and shit. Restoring the car. What's this? Oh, it's a bed. Oh, cool. What happened to the fridge? Fridge. Is the fridge in here? No. Fridge. I closed the door the wrong way. Fridge. What happened to the fridge? How in the... Am I Hulk or some shit? Dwayne The Rock Johnson? Okay, ooh. Brand new. Ooh. Never mind the fridge. This is looking sexy. Just a brick look. One problem. Where's the fridge at? Damn, that yellow TV looking fire. Look at that shit. Damn. The car wash. Okay, I got the getaway car. Yeah, fuck this guy. Anything in here? Ah, yeah, I knew. So, ooh. This guy's got a nice car. I mean, car? Nice house. Is it like 2 houses? What? Okay, this is a little bit much for a door. Okay, I'm just trying to break it. What is this? There we go. Who? What? Is this like a... That looks very... fuckable. You know what I mean? For this game. So I gotta dump the shit in the water? How about I just break his house? Okay, so I gotta break this one. Oh, it's like the one like last time. I gotta do like a cool heist. Is this another car? This is a car. I was about to drive it around. That was almost bad. Oh shit, there's a... Okay, I'll drive. Why not? Oh, the drift. Okay, so... Oh, so okay, I gotta dump it. Alright, here's the plan. Can I drive up this? Can. Cool. Alright. Actually, I'm gonna keep this car. I'm not gonna crash it. Like, right up here. I haven't explored yet. I wanna explore to it. Ah. Wait, was that a... Okay, I'm finding so much shit in here. It'd be a shame if something happened to it. Okay. Oh, he's got an elevator too? That's cool. No! Come back. This is cool. Okay, cool. Bronze statue. Swing through. Cool. Nice spiral staircase. That's nice. Found a lunchbox. No, a penthouse. Okay. Fuck off. Okay, anything in his bathroom? Fuck his bed up. Oh, there's sleeping. Oh. My fault. Whoops. Bernie's bad. Okay. It really set him off. Don't steal. Fire alert. Shit. My fault. My fault. Actually, there's so much to this, like, place. See these, there's this one. I only need 3, right? So, okay. Anything? Okay. There's a car up here. I could take this car, dump it in the water, bring this one over here into the water. Dump this into the water really fast. Roger. Fuck. Okay. Jesus. Holy fuck. Alright, and seizure warning. How strong is that pole? Fucking drive. Okay, dump that in the water. No. Get the fucking door open. Okay, no. I saw Tom. Plenty of time. Dump this in the water. Run. No. Is this expensive? No, it's not. Okay, grab the car. Go. What the fuck? Okay, run. I still got this. I can still do it. Where's the car? Where's the car? I should probably find where the car is first. Okay. There. So, grab this car, dump it in the ocean, grab the gray car, and run. Does this explode? Wait. Okay. I think I'm ready this time. I was just fooling around that time. This time I'm ready. I gotta quick save again just so I can have that car there. Okay. The intense music. Okay, we're fine. Okay, well, in the water. Open the door. Go. In the water. Go. It's two. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay, go. Oh my god. Okay, I just have to run it. That happens every time. Go. I got 15 seconds. 15. No! Unfortunate events happened, and I don't know what happened.
Oh, you see this guy? Number 1 bullshit guy. He do the wee woo.
Are you right? Get in the water! And oh my god, I fucked up. We didn't lose. When did we lose? When did we fuck up? Okay. Like over here. Okay. I got an autosave. Okay. Here we go. Cue the intense music again. Dude, I can't do this. I can't. How many times I've slammed into the same rock? Are you fucking my ass right now? Ah! This is the run. This is the run. Okay. That's it. Oh my god. Oh my god. There it is. There it is. There it is. I did it. Go for it. Let's go. Where's my van? Where's my van? It's right here. Go. Jump. Get shit on. Fucking Gordon Goo, whatever his name is. You reach a new rank. Oh, new tool? Let's go. Planks. Plank of wood. I was looking forward to like a shotgun or something. Or like a sniper or something. Something useful. I can make it like a slingshot. That was complete ass. Fly out of all things. Wait, is my fridge back? Oh my god, is it back? It's back, but it's... I can't open... Can I drop it? No. Does this thing drop anymore? Lose something so soon. I can drop it. But is it as cool? No. Break all of my wall. Hey! Yeah, fuck you. Fuck you, fridge. Oh, what we're doing. I didn't even know what we're doing. What am I supposed to do with this? Does it set off an alarm? Yes. And then... make it easy for us to get in. Boom. Okay. I was stuck in the captain's chair. There. Okay. Easy. I didn't have a quick save, but it's alright. If I could jump! Oh my god. Alright. Go, 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 go. Oh, this is nice. Are you... You gotta be kissing me right now. It goes upside down. Let's get to it. Oh, I gotta make the bridge again. Okay, we're back. After me failing of just... It's awful. We're not gonna do this again. Jump! Okay. Don't go upside down. Okay. I have a half a boat. See that professional move right there? Go, 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 go. Where is it? It's in the back room. It's in the back room. Oh, I'm fucked. Oh, shit. Jump through. Get through. Ah, shit, the chopper. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's... I fucking did it. Holy shit. Let's go. Grab this first. Go, 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 go. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at the time. Move! Brother! Okay. Run, 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 run. Okay, go, 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 go. Fuck doors. I hate doors. Oh, right here. Prius. Smart car. Oh, this thing can run. Dude, she's a beauty. Holy fuck, she's fast. Why don't I just take that home? I crashed her. Woo, yeah, get the fuck out of here, helicopter. Alright, just getting back from work. What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh my god. My door's been busted in. What the fuck? It's that criminal. That criminal mastermind that's been at my place in the basement in the last video. That just looks like a fucking nugget. I don't just... Oh my god. He's a menace. He's probably handsome and good looking. Wow. So much depth and detail. All of my windows. Oh my god. How am I gonna pay this? I'm gonna restore my house with all these bananas on my screen. I gotta find that man. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that guy. God. Oh no. 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 They took the fridge. No. Catch that guy. God damn. Get the fuck out. Get your dumb. Okay. That's gonna do it for this. What the fuck? Get the fuck out of here. Fuck out of my way. That's gonna conclude today's video of Teardown. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I guess I'll talk to you all later. In the outro. Hello. Wait, I'm not doing an intro. Ooh. What the fuck was that? Doing an outro. Pretty lit. What the fuck am I doing? Oh. But if you guys enjoyed today's video on Teardown, please drop a like, and if you enjoyed all that shit, subscribe, all that shit. If you really want to do something goofy like that, you know, just subscribe. It's free, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, I'm rambling on. I keep repeating myself, so bye.